How do we migrate the third version of Tailwind to 4.0? You simply have to run this command. Once you're ready, just press enter. It has to do everything by default for you. As you can see, it's converting everything, and my Tailwind config was removed, as you can see. So this is pretty much it. If I'm gonna go to my resources style UIKit.css, which is over here, I can see everything that I had before in my Tailwind config. And this is how it works. It's really this. I want to note that you have to have your third version of Tailwind installed. If you ran into errors, you would have to install it back again. And the different thing is, if your Git repository isn't clean, you would have to stash your files first and then run this command. And you have to make sure that your node dependencies are being able to be installed in your project. And for the git stash, you would run this command, and then try to run this command. I'm gonna leave it in the comments below, and I hope this video was helpful.